Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your exact pity numbers and selecting a single target banner. Do this now so you don't waste pulls chasing multiple targets. Once done, convert reserved primogems into intertwined or acquaint fates. Make sure to buy only what keeps you within your planned pull budget. You begin with repeated single or 10 pulls depending on your comfort, but prioritize consistency. One focused banner raises your chance to hit the desired 5-star within planned pity bounds. Now you move into the complex middle. Pull rhythm matters. Mix 10 pulls early for convenience, then switch to singles as you approach soft pity so you can stop immediately when the character appears. Make decisions based on guarantee state. If you recently lost a featured 5-star, understand the next 5-star might be featured or off-banner. Plan extra safety pulls. Once near hard pity, pause often to reassess and avoid impulse topping up. This preserves resources and reduces regret. For final steps, pull up to your stop loss and either claim the featured unit or walk away to preserve pity for the rerun. This is crucial to long-term success. If you don't get the target, don't reset pity. Use future banners or reruns to convert guaranteed pity into the unit you want. Troubleshooting. If results feel wrong, verify your in-game pity counter, add any unspent fates from mail, and pause to let the banner rerun, instead of forcing more pulls in a losing streak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.